Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen. Well, the question of the day: does pasta make you gain weight? Ha! That's a simple answer. No. And everybody's like, what? No, pasta, no food will make you gain weight unless you overeat it. Now, pasta, yes, I agree, is one of those dense foods that if you don't know what to do with it, how to serve yourself the pasta, or what kind of pasta to buy, you can overeat pasta. A few weeks ago, I did something about cereal. Same thing. We need to build our plate, not just pasta, but we need to use different things to fill up. Well, nowadays, thank God, we can find pastas that are helpful, friendly to lose weight, that can help us lose weight. Well, what are those pastas? First of all, let me tell you what a regular pasta is. Regular pasta normally has very low fiber, 1 gram, barely, maybe 2 grams, and little protein, somewhere in the 3 to 5 grams of protein. And about 200 calories for 2 ounces dry. And that's actually across the board from all of these. If you read the calories for all of them are about 180 to 200. But the difference is, when I'm looking in a box, when I want what is a good pasta for weight loss, I'm looking at two things. I'm looking at fiber and protein. Remember, fiber and protein are your best friends for weight loss. This one here, Barella Plus, Protein Plus, I love this one. The texture is just like pasta, like regular pasta. Been eating it for many years now. 5 grams total of fiber and 10 grams of protein. Good amount of protein and fiber. And then these are similar, but this red lentil is the winner for the protein. Red lentil pasta is 14 grams of protein. Come on, that will fill you up with 3 grams of fiber. And then, of course, you have whole grain pastas. This one has 7 grams of fiber and 8 grams of protein. Now, that's exactly what I'm looking for when I buy pastas, that provide me enough fiber, at least 5 grams or more, and protein at least 5 grams or more, like the other ones have 7, 10, and 14 grams, really good amounts of protein. Why is that now? That matters because fiber and protein makes you feel fuller and it makes you feel satisfied. So if you were to eat regular pasta, 1 cup may not be enough, 2 cups maybe, 3 cups, 4 cups. These kind of pastas, 1 cup to 2 cups, you will feel satisfied. But now I'm going to show you how to serve your plate and what other things I have used. So how many times you come home tired and you're just like, what can I make tonight? Well, pasta is the way to go because you can cook the pasta in 6. By the way, these pastas, since are plant-based pastas, cook quick. 7 minutes. I like things al dente, 6 minutes until you take it out and all that. Maybe the 8 minutes will come. So make sure you follow the directions. Don't overcook them because they will dissolve and they're not good. So make sure you follow that cooking time. Also, serving sizes: 2 ounces for females, 4 ounces for guys. We're talking weight loss, okay? Now that's dry pasta, right? Now when you cook pasta, it doubles in size. So the 2 ounce dry will be 4 ounces wet, cooked pasta. Now, marinara sauces. I mean, if you want to follow your grandma's recipe and take 4 or 5 hours cooking your marinara sauce, go ahead. Do it on a Sunday if you have time. But if you don't have time, you buy the marinara sauce. And you can find marinara sauces almost anywhere now. I mean, I went to Costco, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, everywhere. What am I looking on a marinara sauce? Added sugars. Actually, to be honest with this one only had 1 gram added sugar, none of the other, 0 added sugars. I'm telling you, they're doing a great job with that nowadays. The taste is delicious, and I don't know if you knew that, half a cup of marinara sauce counts as your vegetable too. And of course, it's high in lycopene. It's a potent antioxidant, anti-inflammatory phytonutrient. So we're winning here right now. There's no reason why. Now, you don't have pasta sauces. where you can make your own pasta sauce quickly with tomato paste, canned tomatoes, and canned tomato sauce. Add some seasonings, cook it for like 15-20 minutes, and that's it. What about the meat? If you like to add meat, I buy frozen meatballs. I'm talking about quick meals, right? This is my plan B. While the pasta is cooking, I'm boiling the sauces, I'm simmering the sauce with my meatballs, and I'm telling you, I can have a meal done in less than 15 minutes for the entire family. And then how to serve the plate. Now, first of all, as I always say, half of your plate needs to be vegetables. I cook the vegetables, I roast them over the weekend. At least cook something, cook the vegetables. So how I cook these vegetables, I roast them with a little bit of balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder. You can go to my blog, there's plenty of recipes on how to roast vegetables. My books, if you have my books, all of them have roasted vegetables. So half the plate, always I say, half the plate should be your veggies. There we go, I have more. Love Brussels sprouts, love carrots, love everything. All right, so I just love food, period. All right, so now that we have the roasted vegetables, the pasta. I actually use Barilla Plus spaghetti form. Put that there. And again, for me, I don't know, I already know I can eyeball, I've been doing this for 20 years. I can eyeball what 4 ounces will look like, and it's something like that. But I'm gonna add a little more because I'm gonna go to the gym right now. So there we go, boom. Again, it's not just pasta. As you can see, vegetables and pasta that has fiber and protein. Now that I have that, close that up, the sauce. I just open one of these jars with the meatballs, turkey or beef meatballs, you decide what you want to eat, and voila, look at that, like a restaurant made it. I swear to God, look at that beauty, and it smells so good. I actually sprinkle more oregano because I love oregano. We're gonna actually now get the sauce on top. I mean, you can put 2 jars if you want. You can put how many jars you like, how saucy things you like. That's all taste now, right? But a half a cup of this sauce counts as a vegetable. So this plate has lots of veggies. And then we put the meatballs on top. And voila, you have, oh, no, not yet. Hold on, I'm not done yet. Parmesan cheese, hello. Parmesan cheese. All right, so a little more. You tell me if you eat this food, you're not gonna be full. I do not believe you. Anyone will be full after eating this plate. And I can tell you, full of nutrition right here. Well, I hope you have enjoyed today's Caliente Kitchen. You can find my information on manuelvillacorta.com, my blog, my recipes, and now you can book an appointment. Go there, manuelvillacorta.com, and book a free discovery call with me if you need assistance with weight loss. I can be your coach. I'm doing this virtually now, and it's going really well. All right, my friends, so thank you again, and until next time, bye now.